Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy stocks on eToro, a popular social trading platform that allows you to invest in a wide range of assets, including stocks, cryptocurrencies, and commodities. In this guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of purchasing stocks on the eToro app. First, you need to download and install the eToro app on your mobile device, or access the platform through the eToro website. Once you have created an account and deposited funds, you can start exploring the platform and searching for stocks to buy. To find a specific stock, use the search bar at the top of the screen and type in the name of the company or the stock symbol. For example, if you want to buy Apple stocks, you can type in AAPL. The search results will show you the current price of the stock, as well as other relevant information such as the daily change in the market capitalization. Once you have found the stock you want to buy, click on it to open the stock page. Here, you can find more detailed information about the company, including its financial statements, news, and analyst ratings. You can also see the current price chart and the order book, which shows the current buy and sell orders. To place a buy order, click on the trade button at the top of the screen. Then, select the amount of money you want to invest in the stock, or the number of shares you want to buy. You can also set a stop-loss order, which will automatically sell your stocks if they fall below a certain price. After you have placed your buy order, it will be executed at the current market price. You can then monitor your investment and track its performance in real time. You can also set up price alerts and notifications to stay informed about any changes in the market. One of the key features of eToro is its social trading platform, which allows you to follow and copy the trades of other investors. This can be a great way to learn from experienced traders and to diversify your portfolio. You can also share your own trading ideas and strategies with the eToro community. In conclusion, buying stocks on eToro is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few steps. By following this guide, you can start investing in the stock market and taking advantage of the many features and tools that eToro has to offer. Remember to always do your own research and to never invest more than you can afford to lose. With eToro, you can start building your investment portfolio and achieving your financial goals.